This is a fun perspective view of our property. I'm standing on the grain bin that's in the corner of the property. I can see it all around. There's the pond that the pigs worked on this summer. They did a good job on. Not sure if it's completely fixed. I kind of don't think so, but it got a lot of work done. And this area is recovering from having the chickens on it for too long. The raccoon house is coming along. The rabbits are in it now, getting ready to put chickens in pretty soon. And the chickens are back behind the shop now. The ewe and her two babies are to the left of the shop there. Got a new puppy in training, livestock guardian dog in training. That's either her or her brother that just went by. The brother goes back to his home this week, early next week. We've just been watching him for some friends that gave her to us. Made sense to just bring him along for the week and then give him back after they've had some time over here. So I just moved the rams and Taco, the beef steer, into this corner paddock. This is the southwest corner of our property, and this is always a really good paddock. It has good grass that recovers pretty quickly. This is at the end of the season, so it's obviously, you know, it's bounced back as much as it could in the weather we had. So they're gonna graze this for a day or two, and then I'll keep moving them. I'm just gonna skim them. I'm not gonna let them touch this because this got hit too hard with the chickens when we were gone for a while. I'm gonna move them probably right to that area in the middle of the screen now, and then on around the back of the property and back around that direction. I'll be feeding hay, at least supplementing hay for a good bit of that. Today I let the steer and the rams graze the backyard because the grass is kind of long and might as well feed it to them. So I'll probably do that again. I'll probably just leave them in here all day tomorrow, then maybe Sunday put them back on the back lawn for the day. Just a minute. And then yeah, see what mowing they do there, and then put them back on the rotation out here again. So pretty nice fall weather. Leaves are falling. It's beautiful, beautiful time of year. It's nice not being super cold yet. We've done a few fires in the wood stove, but we're not like needing it full time yet. So I like that. It's nice. It's starting to cool down. It's been cool actually. A lot nicer working weather outside. Hope you guys are enjoying the weather where you're at.